I got interested, very interested in the water itself. What makes water polluted? Water comes down the stream, it's nice, looks good and everything else, but what is in it? I studied everything about water. I studied what is in water, what water is, even the water molecule, and only 3% of it fall on the earth. And that 3% is what our entire life world depends on. If it's a tree, an animal, a person, or whoever it is, they get to use that 3%. And you know, they all use it to dump sewage into. They dump all the refuse there is. The oil companies dump all the refuse there is. Factories dump everything into it. It doesn't matter what it is. Houses, everybody dumps stuff into that water that we are drinking. It's like, we wouldn't want to do this, but we are drinking the water out of our toilets. And we wouldn't want to do that, but we do. Then I studied the pollutants that's in water. The chemicals, 110,000 chemicals in water. We had to find the sizes of those and what good they are and what bad they are. When we studied the sizes of the pollutants, we studied the size of the periodic table of measurement, size of chemicals, sewage, everything we could find. And when we found those out, then we had to find out, how do we take them out? We studied distillation to start with. And you know, there's chemicals in the water that are lighter than the water. There's chemicals in there that are the same density as the water. There's chemicals in there that are heavier than water. But the heavier stuff was the minerals, as well as the chemicals, stay in the distiller itself. There is no healthy minerals come through with distilled water. So we discounted distillation for cleaning water. It doesn't work. Then we tried reverse osmosis. And reverse osmosis leaves an acid in the water, takes everything else out. You see, reverse osmosis in the first place was made to make ink roll smoother in the printing industry. And then they found out it's clean water so we can drink it, and we do. But don't drink it for more than a month or a month and a half, because it does take things out of your body. We looked at granulated activated carbon. And granulated activated carbon, or carbon, has been used for thousands of years to clean water. They used it in sailing ships when they come across the ocean, years and years by sailing ships. And what they did, they burnt the inside of a barrel, a wooden barrel, to leave carbon inside of there. They'd put the fire out halfway through. They put the water in there, and the water would stay clean to come across the ocean. We use different sizes of granulated activated carbon and different types of granulated activated carbon to clean different pollutants that are in our water. Hundreds and thousands of them. It's like a coin operating machine, or a coin separating machine, where it takes the small coins first, the dimes, then the pennies, and the nickels, and the quarters, so on. And it kind of works that way. We leave the mineral that you need for your everyday life, and you do need those minerals. And again, through a lot of work, we have been able to fit the pollutant to the carbon that it needs to take it out. And we've done a good job, and we clean water all over the world now.